Imagine waking up with no clock, no toilet, in your house, and your phone is just gossiping at a public bath with strangers. This was real life in ancient Rome. Today we're going back 2,000 years to see exactly what an average day looked like for a regular Roman citizen. No emperors, no gladiators, just normal daily life. Let's go. Romans didn't have clocks like us. They used the sun to tell time. Sundials divided the day into 12 hora, or hours. So your day literally started at sunrise. After waking up, you'd have a light breakfast, just bread and water, sometimes wine. Then you'd get dressed. Men wore togas. Women wore long tunics tied at the waist. If you were wealthy, a slave might help you get ready. If you were poor, you did it yourself, in a tiny one-room apartment with no kitchen and no bathroom. Work started at sunrise, and most Romans stopped by noon. That's right, a 6-hour work day while we complain about 8 hours. Jobs depended on your class. Farmers grew wheat. Soldiers earned a wage and land. Craftsmen made pottery and weapons. The rich became lawyers, senators, or teachers. Most of the dirty, hard work was done by slaves. They were everywhere in Roman society, cooking, cleaning, even teaching children. Once work ended, everyone, rich or poor, headed to the same place, the public baths, called thermae. This wasn't just bathing. You'd exercise, get a massage, sit in a hot bath, then a cold one, then gossip with friends. It was basically Rome's version of social media. Baths were so important that Romans built them everywhere, from Britain all the way to Egypt. After the baths came the biggest meal of the day, dinner, around 3 p.m. If you were rich, you'd recline on a couch and eat a multi-course meal, shellfish, roasted meats, even peacock. Servants fed you, and you ate with your hands. If you were poor, dinner was simple. Bread, beans, lentils, and maybe some cheese, meat, was a luxury most people rarely had. So next time you complain about your daily routine, remember, Romans did all this without toilets, phones, or modern medicine, and somehow built an empire that lasted over 1,000 years. If you found this fascinating, hit subscribe. We're exploring ancient daily life every week. See you in the next video.